Do your intro right now.
Welcome to the Racing Enthusiasts. Today
What's up, boys?
yes.
What's up, gamers? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Oh!
Oh no!
All right, I go right, you go left, Thomas.
I'm in pit lane.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Ooh. I saw you go flying.
Oh my gosh.
That's good.
Dawson Cram joined again.
Hey, Dawson Cram, That's a W.
That's his name. Oh, I just checked up so much for you, Trevor.
I
You
got a
better check up
huge
at least a
run.
little
I have
bit.
a huge run. Move out of the way. Get out of the way. Nope, it's gonna
Dawson
end.
Cram.
Oh
great
no,
heavens!
not Cram. Not so excited that his parents named him twice. Thomas and I are almost at 160. Thomas, you are blinking like an elephant.
Am I?
We're at 160. You guys just have no talent.
All right, wait for
And
me.
ramp. Oh
Oh
wow.
my!
The whole group of cars are here. We got the whole.
And their mother is here.
Yep.
Oh, we got
Oh,
one on the wall.
oh no. Oh no. There goes the team. There goes the team.
No. I am stuck in the back.
Trevor, your life just flashed before your
It did. I
eyes.
saw everybody
I
flipping
did a
and
Brendan
flying.
Lichtenberg.
I'm going through them. I'm doing it. Nope. They closed it.
Don't wreck him. Don't wreck him. I'm on a flyer.
Oh, you're flying. You have to be flying. Uh-oh. Oh, gosh.
Go, car. Go, go, go.
Oh, I bump drafted him without giving him an X. Good. Here, go, Shugel. Go. No, don't follow Dawson Cram. Okay, go by.
Okay, I lost my flyer.
Perkins' plan.
No.
This could be a good one for me.
Oh,
No!
Dawson Cram.
Oh my god, we have so many people in here.
Dude, Dawson Cram just hurt me.
Holy crap.
We can... Jackson, guess what? We can have an actual community race this time.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wanted to drive over the top of you. I did not mean to run you over.
We got a 1, 2, 3 in qualifying,
Yes.
and then Thomas in 6th.
Yep.
Sorry.
The man who won our practice race.
Say, can you see by the dawn's
Do a voice crack.
light?
No.
So
proudly
we hailed at the twilight's last screaming. Whose broad stripes and
Trevor.
bright
You
stars.
timed out.
through
You
the
timed out. You
pear.
timed out.
You timed out. Press the button
You
again.
timed out.
Press the button again.
Shut the hell up.
Jackson.
I'm going to the back, guys. I'm sorry. Bye. Aaron, you're going with me. You're going with me. Jackson. Yeah?
EOL.
Heck yeah.
I'll take one too.
And let's get the whole team.
All of the racing enthusiasts.
The whole team.
was still there.
Home of the Chiefs.
Oh my god.
No, we needed a team national.
Of the Atlanta Braves.
Of the
And
Atlanta
home of
Braves.
The Atlanta Braves.
Yes.
Alright, good luck, drivers.
Here we go. When are we going?
Lights out.
What
and
a
away
start.
We go from Charlotte.
Charlotte? Welcome to Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Oh, they're already dying. Oh,
Alright.
please.
They
Away
said
we go back to
No!
spinning it on. Everybody's cracked out. About 6 cars have made it through. Oh my goodness.
On lap
Trevor, can I
one.
throw a caution?
We still have like 10 cars in a group right now.
Hold on, I'm the last one. I'll tell you how many of us are in here.
Uh-oh. Aw, jeez. Jackson, don't get too excited. They don't like going on green.
I know, right?
Jackson, you got too excited. And you know what? I'm not going to clear that. No, I will. Oh, jeez. I'm backing out.
Or-
I'm backing
No
out.
penalty. He didn't get a penalty.
He didn't. Jackson. Oh, gosh, Jackson. Why? Why do you look like a maniac, man?
Let's see what I feel like doing here.
No. No. That wasn't
Oh
worth
my
it. That wasn't worth it. Jackson.
Oh, God.
Jackson,
everyone is
just
gonna
hold your
die.
line.
You know you can take the access road and kill your driver.
Oof. Fun. Oh, no.
Here,
Oh,
I know a way.
no.
I know a way of killing the field.
No, please. No, please. Please don't. Please
Yeah,
don't.
no,
Please
no,
don't.
no,
Don't do it.
no,
Don't you do it.
I'm not.
Get out of
Don't
here,
kill the
Mr.
field.
Banana.
Trevor,
Uh-oh. Let him in.
Trevor,
Let him in.
Trevor.
Let him in.
Hey,
What's wrong with you?
Trevor,
I'm going up. I'm going up. What?
You know where? Okay, I'm right ahead with you. You want me to slow him up?
Aaron, what's wrong with
Aaron,
you?
what is wrong with you? No, don't wreck.
Is that how we're gonna race each other today?
That's
No.
apparently teammates out the window. Oh, jeez. No. That's the field. Throw the yellow. That's the field.
So that's what I just did. Come and work together as a team.
Sure.
Oh, I just saw Jackson.
Yeah, help him.
against me.
Hold on, Jackson. Don't reset.
I just did a barrel roll.
Upside down.
Jackson, you're literally.
No, Aaron.
Jackson, you're
Aaron,
literally the
you
only
ruined
car a
it.
lap
You
down
ruined
now.
the plane.
I know. Cause I'm stuck.
I have one more shot, Jackson. Sorry.
Hang on. Where
Oh.
are you?
We're in turn 1. I'm stuck upside down.
Hang on.
Promise
Let me. Hold on.
He's legitimately stuck upside
Help
down.
me.
He's on the
Let
grass.
me. Okay, let me.
Here, I'll try and help him.
Go over. You.
Oh my God. I just see him bouncing.
Yeah.
Alright.
No.
Oh, this is
I
too
will-
good.
I have 3 minutes left of going.
Aaron's gonna try and Kyle Busch
Go.
this.
This is fun. Ooh, I only have
Oh
50
gosh. Oh jeez.
I now only have 50
Oh
seconds
jeez. That's the whole field. That's the whole field. That's
left.
the whole field.
Caution.
Why would you do that, Aaron? That's the whole field. Oh, we're going already. What a start. I'll take this position. Yeah, thank you very much.
Here we go, boys. Here I come.
Okay, let's not throw a caution for a while.
I agree.
No, less.
There.
I need laps back.
We can't let Dawson Cram win this race.
No, we
Why?
don't.
Because he's a NASCAR driver. That makes him better than all of us.
Oh my God, he is
Why?
pushing me.
Oh gosh.
Jackson,
Jackson, we're checking up. We're not going full throttle here. You should probably, oh gosh. Why are we doing
You guys
this?
are like 3 wide.
Yeah, why are we doing this?
Trevor, I thought about going past in the.
Yeah, well then you would have gone flying. Oh, that was
We go.
death.
Oh, that's the field, isn't it?
I don't
Are they
know.
throwing it?
Was it the
No.
field? Was it the
Oh,
field?
There's a group of 9 still going.
Chris Hacker. Come on, Miss Chris Hacker.
Can't
Trevor,
believe
there's
you
a
just did that.
Trevor, there's a group of 8 still going. Don't throw it.
Okay. Well, I haven't thrown a single caution this whole race, okay?
Yeah.
It's all been
I
you
know.
guys. It's been you guys.
Can I throw a comp yellow at 25 because
Uh,
that's
No.
stupid 18 car?
Why would you do that? Why
Hey,
would
can
you?
I kick the 18 car?
No.
No.
It's a community race, bro. Chill.
Okay, can I kick
Whoa,
Thomas?
No, it's a community race. Chill.
If you kick Thomas, it looks bad.
Dude, Jackson with a run. Jeez. You know what? I gotta run. Hang on,
Oh
this is gonna be good.
Did
I
you
can't
guys
see a
crash?
single car. I can't see a single car. Oh no! Oh no! Throw the yellow. Throw the yellow. Yeah, sorry. I tried not to hit you.
No, you just led laps. Against
I'm okay
me,
with it.
that's all.
Oh jeez! Oh jeez! What just happened?
I was trying to get my laps back. Oh my god.
That's the whole
Oh
field.
gosh.
I just played some Wii bowling.
Nice throw.
Let me know when we're going.
No, that needs to be the name of your video.
Hurry up, y'all. I played some Wii Bowling. That's right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Thomas.
I'll let y'all
Trevor,
buy.
I saved it.
I'll let y'all buy.
Trevor, I saved it.
You did?
Wait, Trevor, do you need me to check up?
No, I'm good. Just come down. Thomas, don't you do it.
I'm not gonna.
Don't do it to me. Hi. Oh.
Oh man!
I made you think. You made me think. We've still got a decent amount of cars in this. We've got at least 10.
I know, right? And we're just home.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh, they were being very aggressive for first. Shoot.
Everyone do a Joker lap down the pit lane. this
Aaron.
lap.
Aaron. Oh no, he dumped him. He dumped him.
Can
Yeah.
we call it?
Oh.
Oh no! Wait, no! I swear, I meant to clear my
Oh.
box. I did not even mean to.
No, no, no. Aaron! Aaron! Thank you all for
Don't go
joining.
green
You're
until-
witnessing.
Oh.
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 Oh. Okay, somebody needs to
Go,
pass me.
go.
No. Wait, no, I didn't go. I didn't go. Oh no. I don't think I'm gonna keep the draft.
I
Wait.
think we're gonna need
There
black.
you go.
We're gonna need a lot here. Are we going down pit lane every lap now?
No, 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 we are
Yeah.
not.
Oh,
No.
everybody's
Yeah.
saying yes, Aaron.
Yes.
Give
Lord
give each
have
other
mercy,
room.
Chris.
Give each other room.
Oh no, I don't want to be on the high side entering the pit lane.
I don't.
Oh, oh no, there they go.
There they go.
Oh, that's the
There
whole
they
field.
go.
That's the whole field.
Caution, caution.
Call it.
That was the
call
whole
it.
field though,
Okay,
guys.
we need to stop taking the chicane.
Hey, let's get to the front.
Let's win this. Let's win our own community race. Go, Jackson. No. No, Jackson, no. No, Aaron.
I bring up the shift. Dadgummit.
No, Aaron.
Why do you say it like that?
Big drama.
Throws caution.
Throws yellow again. If the whole field wrecks, we will though.
There's
Oh.
been a debris
Guys,
crossing.
please.
Don't do it, Trevor, Trevor. Oh.
Sorry.
White flag, 1 lap to go this time.
Oh, we're gonna make it. Sort of. What are we doing on the
They're gonna
apron?
make it.
Oh,
They're
you know
gonna
what?
make it.
You know what? You know what? I'm doing this. I'm doing this.
I'm disappointed.
Boy, they make it back.
There's no way we make it back. Oh, there goes one of them. He's losing it underneath me. Oh, jeez. You know what? I'm going with this guy. I'm going with this guy. And you know what? I'm gonna send it 3 wide. No, I'm not. Oh, biscuits. Biscuits and gravy.
I'm saying it like that.
Biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and really delicious gravy. Really delicious
no.
gravy. Oh!
No, I had it clear.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, guys, I need to get going.
Okay, thanks for joining, Aaron. Oh, we're all dying.
Guys, Dawson Cram won.
What a finish. What a finish.
Alright.
Thanks for
Well,
joining,
nice
guys.
talking
Thank you
to
so much.
guys.
I'm gotta say, that was insane. That was absolutely insane.